Meaning of imaginary.
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 Imaginary. The term imaginary is often used in reference to something that is not real or does not exist in the physical world. In mathematics, it refers specifically to numbers that are not real, but are instead based on the square root of a negative number. These imaginary numbers are often used in complex numbers, and can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided just like real numbers. Despite their name, imaginary numbers have many real-world applications, particularly in fields such as engineering, physics, and computer science where complex calculations are often required.